Hello, my name's Derek, and today I'm going to be teaching you about adding fillets to your solid parts here in solid face. So let's get right to it. So as you can see, I have my 2.5-inch cube. I'm going to go ahead and navigate to the top toolbar, and I'm going to select the fillet tool. So we have a couple different options up here. We have edge face, two faces fillet, three faces fillet, propagate tangent, multiple fillets. So we're going to stick with the basics and the most common one you'll use, which is edge face and propagate tangent. Now, here in the actual edge and face fillet option menu, we have a radius, overflow, I always keep that as default, back distance, and keep features. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in a radius of 0.1, and I'm going to select this top face. Now I'm going to hit apply, and OK, and green check. Now, as you can see, I've got these radiuses, these fillets, that just apply right here. So if, let's say, I only wanted to do one. Well, what I could do, instead of selecting the whole fillet operation, what I could do is select just a single line. Like, let's say that line right there. I'll take off propagate tangent, hit apply, OK, and green check. And now I just have the one face as my fillet face. Pretty cool. Now I'm going to show you another tool that we use with the fillet tool, and that's the three faces fillet. So as you can see, now you have three more buttons on the right here: side face 1, middle face, side face 2. So for side face 1, I'm going to select the top. For middle face, I'm going to select back face. And then for side face 2, I'm going to select the bottom face. And I'm going to hit apply. As you can see, it creates one long tangential radius into a fillet here. Quite handy if you want to make rounded features and soft edges for your parts. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the isometric view here. Pretty handy, right? So now, what if we try putting a fillet on this face right here? I'm going to hit edge fillet. I'm going to keep 0.1. I'm going to select that face. Hit apply, OK, and green check. As you can see, I can add a fillet on top of another fillet. Now, if we zoom in here, we can actually see that these two fillets intersected and created a soft corner, which is a very handy feature. Like, let's say you're trying to model maybe a children's toy and you don't want a hard edge that they could cut themselves on. That would be a handy way to go about that. So that's the basics of the fillet tool. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our videos to stay in the know and continue learning. Thank you for watching.